Located up on a hill at the end of a quiet cul-de-sac, you will find your new home at 718 North 74th Avenue in Yakima, Washington. This home is perfect for the garden enthusiast and has wonderful landscaping potential. Enjoy the evening sights and sounds from the massive covered front porch. The large dining room is conveniently located between the front entry and the kitchen. The kitchen is beautifully trimmed with granite counters and rich cabinetry. The laundry room has a deep sink with side counter, lots of storage, and a folding counter. Tucked at the end of the hall, the master bedroom has its own patio entrance. The master bath has his and hers sinks with plenty of counter space, a deep relaxing tub, and walk-in shower. It even has a large closet. Up the stairs, the landing is ideal for a TV room. The guest bedrooms are large and share a full bathroom. The bonus room is perfect for entertaining and includes 2 large spaces. Outside, the large covered patio will be a favorite place for your guests to gather for that summer barbecue. Come make this your new dream home.